Uvuma akafuna uSibongile amukele lutho oluyimali from ke kwaDlamini kanti ke imgazini factory is open and ukwenzo want to prove ku baba ke uvuma ukuthi yena uyindoda ke angayethemba uyena ozophatha ke lapha yana kanti ke uvusi kanye nogcina ngazi ukuthi bazolungisa ke indaba zabo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 11th to the 13th of November 2024 on Monday. Sibongile is shattered when Vuma forbids her from taking money from the Dlaminis. Meanwhile, Kwenzo asked his father to put him in charge of Mgazini factory in an attempt to prove himself to Vuma. Some guess effort to threaten Kuzwayo takes a turn. The helpers take matters into their own hands on Tuesday. Kwenzo prepares to move to Ikopo and Jengaya announces plans to reopen Mgazini factory, much to everyone's excitement. Some guests struggle to get through to Vuma about Sibongile accepting the money from the Dlaminis on Wednesday. Njengai announces the reopening of the Mgazini factory. Vusi tried to use money to get a second chance with the Gcina. Uwenzeni's podcast is discovered and she looks for someone to blame for her failure. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Uvuma akafuna uSibongile